The following is a presentation of the Automotive Retailers Association of British Columbia.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a historic day for the Canadian automotive industry. On behalf of our approximately 5,000 members, businesses across Canada, I'm very pleased today that we're announcing an agreement between ourselves and the Canadian automobile manufacturers and importers that ensures a level playing field in the automotive service and repair marketplace. And this protects the freedom of choice for Canadian consumers. We have proven that vehicle manufacturers and the aftermarket industry can work together. The trust and goodwill that has been established between the parties during crafting of this agreement satisfies any doubt with respect to the commitment of the car companies have made towards this project. We are confident that our agreement solves the issue that is commonly known as right to repair, and that it makes legislation unnecessary. We are pleased to welcome the Honourable Tony Clement, Minister of Industry, Mike Lake, Parliamentary Secretary, Monsieur Stephen Blaney, who is here today to join us as the industry formally signs the Canadian Automotive Service Information Standard Agreement. Last April, the Minister requested the car companies get together with the aftermarket to work on a voluntary solution to the issue of information access. NADA took the initiative to bring industry together by hosting a meeting attended by all the car companies, Industry Canada, Environment Canada, the Competition Bureau, and other invited guests. A couple of days later, NADA, the CVMA, and the AIMC signed a letter of intent with a target date of September 30th to reach a voluntary agreement. Since that time, we have worked diligently with our partners to arrive at this momentous date. We have achieved what the Minister asked industry to do. We have created a workable, voluntary solution that addresses the issue of access by the automotive aftermarket to service and repair information, training information, and tools and equipment.
Well, I'm very proud to introduce today for this great news, this great day for consumer, Honourable Tony Clement.
Merci Stephen et bienvenue tout le monde. Merci à Roger pour l'opportunité d'être ici avec vous. I would also like to acknowledge my parliamentary secretary, Mike Lake, who, quite apart from being an Oilers fan, also worked hard on this very important initiative that, of course, will benefit consumers and small businesses alike, particularly the aftermarket repair sector. So we are here today to welcome the signing of, dare I say, an historic agreement, a mutual understanding between the associations that represent the automobile manufacturers in Canada and those representing the aftermarket industry. The agreement will make information and tools available to independent repair shops, such as the one in which we find ourselves, for the repair of all vehicles. C'est magnifique de voir des organisations collaborer de la sorte en vue de favoriser les intérêts des consommateurs et des petites entreprises, qui sont des piliers de notre économie, et l'établissement d'un marché concurrentiel. The technology that goes into automobiles today, as we know, is becoming increasingly sophisticated. Often, fixing vehicles today is more about the car's computer system than it's about nuts and bolts. And so, in order to repair and service newer vehicles, there are highly specialized and specific tools that require technical training and diagnostic information. La complexité accrue des véhicules automobiles a contribué à augmenter la frustration des propriétaires d'ateliers de réparation automobile qui peinent parfois à trouver l'information la plus récente pour effectuer les travaux exigés. Les consommateurs, quant à eux, veulent l'assurance qu'ils recevront les meilleurs services possibles, peu importe l'endroit où ils laissent leur véhicule pour faire réparer. This agreement will pave the way for Canadian independent service and repair providers to access emissions and non-emissions related service information, diagnostic tools, and training information in a fashion not unlike that offered under a similar agreement in the United States. It will continue to protect the intellectual property rights of car companies while addressing implementation issues and technical challenges. The three associations that are here with us today have committed to implement this agreement across all Canadian automobile manufacturers and distributors by, at the outside, May 1st, 2010. En vertu de l'entente, on créera un groupe de travail composé de représentants de trois associations qui veilleront à la mise en œuvre efficace de l'entente et assurant un soutien continu à l'industrie. Puisqu'il s'agit d'une initiative d'envergure nationale, l'entente visera toutes les entreprises du marché canadien des pièces et accessoires d'automobile. It's an agreement that I believe is fair and equitable to the repair and service sector. It allows consumers to choose, and it is industry-led, a great combination. Et je suis très heureux que tous les intervenants aient pu convenir d'une entente. Nous savons tous qu'une saine concurrence pousse les entreprises à créer de meilleurs produits et à offrir de meilleurs services, et ce, à meilleur prix. And so the Government of Canada places a high importance on consumer protection and support for an efficient and competitive marketplace in Canada, providing an environment for independent service providers to compete fairly and provide consumers with quality service and choice is our top priority. And so I want to thank the National Automotive Trades Association, the Association of International Automobile Manufacturers of Canada, and the Canadian Vehicle Manufacturers Association, and all of their member companies for their diligent efforts to arrive at this agreement that is being signed here today. J'aimerais maintenant inviter les représentants de chacune des associations à venir signer l'entente. It's now time to sign the agreement. Thank you very much.